Weldcom Industrial Joint Stock Company is a leading enterprise in the field of distribution of machinery, equipment, and solutions for the metal processing industry in Vietnam. Established on September 14, 2005. From a store located in Long Bien, Hanoi, Weldcom quickly expanded its nationwide branch system. As of June 2023, we have been present in 25 provinces and cities across the country and will continue to expand to all 63 provinces and cities in the 2024 to 2025 period. Supporting the main branch system are technology engineering centers and production research and development factories in Hanoi and Binh Duong. Technical repair and warranty centers are located in each area to ensure the most efficient and convenient customer service. Throughout 18 years of development, Weldcom has persisted with the mission of making Vietnam into a leading mechanical processing center and has affirmed its position in the Vietnamese mechanical industry. With a wealth of experience and response capabilities, we are proud to become a strategic partner of many typical enterprises such as Dai Dung, Tien Truong, Seco Groups, Hui Tan, Tan Tien, QH Plus, GB Steel. Leading in technology, dedicated in service is the key for us to build credibility and conquer customers. From providing individual products and services, Weldcom has gradually enhanced its product research and development capabilities, fostering consulting experts, investing in modern machinery and equipment as well as in-depth training of technical staff, perfecting the product and service system, becoming a technology general contractor supply one-stop service to mechanical industry investors with turnkey solutions, including services, consulting and design of synchronous production line layout, project management, installation, transfer, training, synchronization of production lines, consulting on upgrading, improving, transporting, providing warranty and maintaining the entire production line equipment, supply of auxiliary equipment, accessories, and consumables for production lines, comprehensive services for warranty, repair, and maintenance of production line equipment, consulting for factory digital transformation at all levels, Andin, SCADA, MES, Mechanical Factory and Mechanical Enterprise ERP system, equipment rental to supplement production capacity for customers, purchase of depreciated production lines, upgrade new ones, training and supplying technical labor for welding, maintenance, repair, and operation of production lines. Choosing quality suppliers, effective consulting, and good technical services, Weldcom's products are always highly appreciated and optimized according to customers' requirements. From small and medium-sized mechanical equipment such as JZIC welding machines, Weldcom laser welding machines, Works, Crest handheld power tools to main production line equipment in the metal processing industry such as laser cutting machines, press brake machines Yahweh, Bruco gantry welding machines, Herco, Tong Tai, milling machines, lathe machines. The brands that we cooperate with have affirmed their reputation in the international market and are recognized by domestic customers. As the foundation for product research and service quality improvement, people are at the heart of development at Weldcom. Not only improving professional capacity through regular training programs, we always strive to build a healthy and positive work environment to create conditions for each individual to maximize their potential. Our quality human resources is the result of a challenging and continuous improvement process. Based on the Weldcom Gene Foundation, we always aim for true values, using sincerity to serve customers. These factors contribute to building a professional technical team, Weldcom's pride. Our in-depth warranty and repair services are exclusively authorized in Vietnam. With the motto "Customer is number one" and a long-term strategic vision, Weldcom is gradually getting closer to the goal of narrowing the technology gap between Vietnam and developed countries, contributing to changing Vietnam's mechanical industry and building Vietnam into an advanced mechanical processing center of Asia. Weldcom. True value.